Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to underline text in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this edit option already selected. Now click on this edit text and now click this right sidebar arrow as text font format and click on this text box and drag your mouse, select your text you want to underline and this underline option, click here and see this text now underline. Also I'll underline this text, underline and see this. Also I'll underline these three lines and see this. In this way you can underline a specific text, word or character on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.